Hello everyone, my name is Nhật. Today I will show you two topics. The first one is life cycles and the second one is other invertebrates. Now, first part, I will talk about the life cycles. There are millions of different species of animal in the world. Some animals are very big and some others are very small. So scientists put animals into groups. The two biggest group is invertebrate and vertebrate. Now first, I will talk about invertebrate. Invertebrate are animals that have no backbone, and more than 95% of species animal are invertebrate, and most of them are very small. There are many different groups of invertebrate, and the biggest group is arthropods. So insects, spiders, and animals like crab have a hard shell are all arthropods. Next is about vertebrae.
vertebrate.
Vertebrae
So
are the
vertebrate are
animals that
animals
have
that
a
have
backbone,
a
and
backbone,
only a few
and
percent
only a
of
few
animals in the
percent
world
of
are
animals in the world that
vertebrate, and
is vertebrate.
most of them are much bigger than
Most of them
invertebrate.
are very big and they are
So
much
the
bigger
scientists put
than invertebrate.
vertebrate into
So the
five
scientists
groups.
put
The first
the
group is
vertebrate
fish,
in
the
five
second one
groups.
is
The first is
amphibian, third
fish,
one
the
is
second
reptile,
is
the
amphibian,
fourth is
third is
bird, and the
reptile,
last one is
the fourth
mammal.
is bird, and the last one is
Next
mammal.
is about vertebrae. So do you know that all the animals need one thing to survive, and that is a food? Some animals are carnivore, so this means that they have to eat other animals to survive, or like herbivore, they eat plants, and omnivore eat the plants and animal to stay alive. There are many danger for animals, so they have to keep safe from the predator, like some animals that hunt and eat other animals, like carnivore, and like and the next reason is human. So there are many people hunt birds and other animals, and they also cut down trees and build houses and grow on land. When they do this, animals lose their habitat and their food, and many animals also becoming extinct or die because of pollution of the land, ocean, and rivers. So now I will tell you how the baby animals are born. Most species of animals have males and females. The males will produce a sperm cell, female produce egg cell. When the two when the sperm cell join into the egg cells, the baby animals are born and this is called fertilization. So now I will tell you some ways that the animal reproduce. So some animals give birth to their baby, and other animals lay eggs, and their baby hatch. They break the egg open and come out. So how do you know how the animals carrying their young baby? So most reptile and birds care for their baby, and all mammals care for their baby and feed them milk, and some big mammals stay with their baby for many years. Or for instance, the tiger always feeding her babies and in for many years and always caring for it. Now I will talk about some other invertebrate. So there are many other groups of invertebrate. First is about the earthworms. All earthworms lay eggs because they are hermaphrodites. This means that they all have male part to produce sperm and female part to produce egg. But they cannot fertilize their own eggs. After a earthworm mate, their body makes special ring with eggs inside. The ring move forward over the worm's body and then it come up. Then the ends of the ring join together. The egg hatch after about 3 months, and young earthworms can mate when they are 12 months old. Next is about octopus. Baby octopuses live in the ocean at first, but when they grow, they move down to the bottom of the ocean and they live on the ground in dens. Octopuses are ready to mate when they are 1 or 2 years old. Some female octopuses lay about 200,000 eggs and many put them in string from the top of their dens. The females keep the eggs safe from predators like sharks and they carefully push water over them so that they get enough oxygen. The octopuses do not eat for up to 10 months when they're caring for the eggs. After the egg hatch, the female octopuses die. Thirdly, I will talk about spider. Spiders produce silk and they use it to make webs, where they catch flies and other insects to eat. Most species of spider also put lots of silk around the eggs to make a special cover called a cocoon. Most spider eggs hatch after a few days or weeks. The baby spiders or spiderlings grow fast and they molt a few times. They can soon make their own webs and catch their own food. Finally, it's about lobster. A female lobster can lay up to 10,000 eggs, but only about 10 of them will live. A female lobster carries her egg hidden in their tail for almost a year. When they are ready to hatch, she lifts her tail and they float away. When the egg hatch, the larvae move to the top of the ocean. Life here is very dangerous because of the predator and difficult currents. Lobster larvae look very different from adult lobster. When they're about 1 month old, the larvae move to the bottom of the ocean. They molt about 25 times before they become adults. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.